everyone, welcome to our channel. Today in this quick tutorial I will be showing you guys how to fix banned on TikTok. Are you facing frustrating issues because of this? Then don't worry, because in this video I will be sharing the steps to fix it. Now without delaying any more further, let's get into the video. So the first thing that I want you to do is open your TikTok. Then on the bottom right, tap on your profile. After you land on your profile page, on the top right you will see a 3 horizontal line icon. Tap on it, then go for settings and privacy. Scroll down and then tap on report a problem. Now on the topics, tap on live. Once you're landed on that page, under hosting live you will there see an option of live is suspended. Tap on it and here tap on no. Go for need more help. Now here type in your issue. Be specific with your issue. After writing down, tap on submit. So that's it. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing our channel for more amazing tips. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.